Welcome back to Joe Wicks' kitchen, and today I've got a nice little chant for you to learn, for Fancy Dress Friday. I got this one from Rob Kitchen. Rob Kitchen can't be here today, so we're in Joe Wicks' kitchen, yeah! So it goes like this, it goes, yo, my name is Joe, and I'm on YouTube where I do PE. And one day Nicky came up to me and said, Joe. I said, yo. Are you busy? I said, no. Can you do some stretches with your right arm? Yes, I can. Yo, my name is Joe, and I have my own channel where I do PE. And one day Nicky came up to me, said, Joe. I said, yo, are you busy? I said, no. Can you do some stretches with your left arm? So you get the idea, don't you? So let's put on some tunes. Yeah, well, let's just feel the beat, do some stretching, some lunges. Okay, get ready. So just join in with me, we're going to go around this a few times and get the hang of it. Okay, are you ready? Ready, steady, off we go. Yo, my name is Joe, and I'm on YouTube where I do PE. And one day Nicky came up to me and said, Joe. I said, yo, are you busy? I said, no. Can you do some stretches with your right arm? Yes, I can. Are you ready? Off we go. Yo, my name is Joe, and I'm on YouTube where I do PE. And one day my boss came up to me, said, Joe. I said, yo, are you busy? I said, no. Can you do some stretches with your left arm? Yes, I can. Oh, I've got two going now. Okay, one more. Yo, my name is Joe, and I'm on YouTube where I do PE. And one day Nicky came up to me and said, Joe. I said, yo, are you busy? I said, no. Can you do some stretches with your right leg? Oh, no, it's getting trickier. Okay, off we go. Yo, my name is Joe, and I have my own channel where I do PE. And one day my boss came up to me, said, Joe. I said, yo, are you busy? I said, no. Can you do some stretches with your left leg? Oh, wow. This is getting a bit tough, isn't it? Woo. Yo, my name is Joe, and I have my own channel where I do PE. And one day Nicky came up to me, said, Joe. I said, yo, are you busy? I said, no. Can you do some stretches with your head? Oh dear. How many things now? I've got 5 things going. Yo, my name is Joe, and I have my own channel where I do PE. And one day my boss came up to me, said, Joe. I said, yo, are you busy? I said, no. Can you do some stretches with your bottom? Oh, try. Oh, yeah, the hips and the elbow. Okay, join in. Last time. Yo, my name is Joe, and I have my own channel where I do PE. And one day my boss came up to me, he said, Joe. I said, yo, are you busy? I said, yes. Whew, I'm exhausted. Girls and boys, I hope you enjoyed that. Rob's Kitchen will be back on Monday. See you later. Stay safe.